The following instruction will guide you through the steps required to produce custom shape acrylic plaque without stand. First, download the template. When preparing your print file, you need to reference our PSD print template that you can download from the product link on our website under the Mockup and Template tab. Open and edit the file. Ultimately, we'd recommend working with Photoshop. To edit templates without Photoshop, you will need an alternative that has the ability to work with smart objects. You can use the free application like Photopea. To set up print file, open the downloaded template in Photoshop or Photopea. When opened, follow the instruction in the guide note. There are two customizable parts. The cut design part is the shape out of the material. This layer should be a solid black fill. The print design part is artwork printed on the shape. Let's work on the cut part first. Double-click on the Design Layer thumbnail to open Smart Object. A new screen should open up. Create or drag your shape design into the work surface. Adjust and place design within the safe print area. Important notes for cutting design details. Every shape's interior holes or cutouts are at least 70 pixels. Make sure that all artwork elements are connected and combined into a single object, and should not contain empty objects or open contours. The transparent area in the design will be cut out. Your artwork must be cleanly presented on a transparent background. Don't use sophisticated artworks. These kinds of designs are difficult to laser cut to spec. When done with shape design, save Smart Object Ctrl+S. Make sure to either delete or turn off with the icon the original image and guide layer. Go back to the original PSD file. Turn on the Design Artwork group. You'll find the cut layer and print layer are automatically generated. You can keep the generated print layer, or you can make different artwork as long as it's placed within the printable shape area. You could add the layer to or edit your existing design. Important note for printed design details. All pixel-based artwork or raster image needs to be a minimum of 300 dpi dots per inch. Less than 300 ppi and your artwork might print dotty or fuzzy. Export the file. When finished designing, then save the design file in transparent format. Make sure that you turn off the guide layer and remove unused objects from your file. How to generate mockup from template. Once you've opened up the PSD mockup file, double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer thumbnail to open Smart Object. Open your finished print file, then drag into the Smart Object work surface. Save the file. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You'll see the mockup is generated. Once you've done, save your mockup for your own use.